Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to dive into the exciting open Sora project. Okay, so it's open source project that makes waves in the world of video production. I'm pretty sure that everyone already heard about it, Sora. Okay, it's called it's a GitHub page of this project, and it's called Open Sora. Okay, and it's all about democratizing efficient video creation. Okay, so everyone can do it. You just need to know a little bit about the coding, and then there you go. You can jump into the GitHub page and you can start creating for yourself. Okay, so what exactly is open source? So, well, it's an open source initiative developed by HPC AI Tech Group. Okay, the goal is to simplify the complexities of video generating, making advanced video creation techniques accessible to everyone. Okay, so open source supports a variety of video generating tasks, whether you are looking to create video from text, transform images into videos, or even modify exciting existing videos. Open source has got this everything covered for you guys. Okay, and as I said, like everything can be accessed via this GitHub page they have available, and everyone have an access. It's open source, right? One of the standout features of open Sora is its full video processing pipeline. This means that you can handle everything from data pre-processing to model training and video generation all within the same framework. But what really sets open Sora apart is its focus on efficiency and cost reduction. Training video generating models can be incredibly resource intensive, but open Sora offers significant cost savings without compromising on quality. The project is well documented, and there is a growing community of contributors and users. This means you'll have plenty of resources and support as you explore what open source can do for you. Okay, so in summary, open source is a game changer for everyone interested in video production. It's open source, efficient, and packed with features that makes advanced video generation accessible to everyone. Okay, that's all what I want to cover in this video. I'll be leaving link maybe into this project here down below, so you can go and have an access to it. I found it interesting, just to know that for you guys that you can go obviously into the open source and start using it, on the open source, the website of, and you just put the prompt and the video will be generated for you. However, the beauty of this one is an open source project. So if you know a little bit about the coding and you want to create some of those videos on your own, you want to train that LLM model and, making this a little bit tweaks here and there, you definitely can do it. All right. So definitely can do it. Okay. So you can train them, you can evaluate them, you can do everything what you can do. Here's a list of contributors who already been contributing to this project. So feel free to jump into it if you know a little bit about the coding, or if you want to learn about it. I'm pretty sure that also would be a good idea, because it's nice to learn something based on something which is currently very popular, very top, so you can use this knowledge to improve not only your project, but you just improve your own knowledge, and have additional skill, which is really on demand those days. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you did, please hit the like button, and also if you got any comments, leave it below, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching.